Hi everyone, I just received this beauty from the United States and I thought maybe I could do my first unboxing video and share my emotions with you. As you can already see, I have some beauties from some of my favorite players, and I'm really excited to see what does this little box have for me today. So let's start. So tough to open. Damn. I hope I'm not the only one that when he opens a box, he really enjoys the smell of the cards, because it's always something new. So here, with this box, we can also receive some digital packs using the code here. I will use it immediately after opening those boxes and the packs. So it's 88 cards, 11 packs. Let's see what we have here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Let's start with the first one. And just hope in the very beginning that we have some really beautiful packs in here. So first, it's a Jaylen Brown card. It looks really amazing, but it's nothing short of rare. Laundry Summit, Ja Morant, Buddy Hield. Here do we have the Duncan Robinson. A vanity plate from Anthony Davis. This should be fun. Yeah, Vernon Carey Jr. And the last card was Seki Naji from the Denver Nuggets. I would say I will put this here up front to remember the best of each pack. So let's go with the second one. Tim Hardaway Junior, he's also from my favorite team, Dallas Mavericks. Drew Holiday, another All-Star. PJ Washington. Clint Capella. Oh, this is nice. This is the card from Ja Morant, from his rookie resemblance, where here I guess it's a game-worn jersey. And yeah, game-worn material is guaranteed by Panini America Incorporation. Yeah, that's really nice. Ja Morant. As we can see, he's also the face of this box. So we keep it up here. Then we have the frequent flyers. Aaron Gordon. My dunking champion. But unfortunately the judges had other opinion for that. But it looks really great. Then we have Saben Lee, the rookie out of Detroit. And Jaden McDaniels from the Minnesota Timberwolves. This was a great pack. Let's see the next one. Hopefully it continues this trend. So we start with Terrence Davis, Josh Okogie, Kevin Knox, Ricky Rubio, Malcolm Brogdon. Great. Here we have the arriving now. The rookie, Devin Vassell. Keep this name, guys. In a couple of years, of course, Greg Popovich will work his magic with him. Maybe the next Kawhi. Have to see. Here has also some notes regarding this player. Denny Avdija and Onyeka Okongwu from the Atlanta Hawks. So it was a nice pack, but I can say that at least I hope the others, the next ones, will be a bit more generous with us. So we don't have any more Dribbler. Marcus Chris from the Golden State Warriors. Shake Milton from Philadelphia 76ers. Patty Mills. Sekou Doumbouya. Nikola Vucevic from the Orlando Magic. He's also an all-star. Ah, Kevin Durant. Lights, camera, action. This seems nice. So before making the move to the Warriors and then to the Nets, Durant broke into action game when he starred in the movie Thunderstruck in 2012. After making a successful first run in film, the versatile forward took to television, making a cameo in the critically acclaimed show Billions. I also watch Billions, guys. It's really amazing. I can only recommend the show. Great. Hi, Kevin. So, Jordan Nwora from the Milwaukee Bucks and Jalen Smith from the Suns. Welcome to our team, Kevin. Let's go on. So, we start with Marcus Morris Sr. It would be funny we also find in this pack his twin brother. Damian Lillard, great. Kobe White from the Chicago Bulls. Nikola Jokic, one of my favorite players. He's also an all-star this year, an MVP frontrunner in my eyes. Darius Garland. Mo Bamba. He could be a great player, but unfortunately he had some COVID troubles in the summer, and from then we can say that he really is himself. Envisioned him becoming one of the game's best shot blockers. Against Brooklyn, the Magic saw flashes of their dreams while helping the squad to the victory. The towering 7-footer tail, 5 rejections. Yeah, if I had his wingspan, maybe I could also have 5 rejections. So, after that, we have Isaac Okoro and Isaiah Stewart from the Detroit Pistons. Welcome to the home team, Mo. So, we have another 3 and 3 6-packs. I'm nervous. So, what do we have here? Derek Favors. The photo is as he was still in New Orleans Pelicans. This year he's in the back with the Utah Jazz. Marcus Smart, John Collins, the Aaron Fox, Mike Conley. Whoa, this is nice from an NBA legend. Kobe Bryant with his slam cover. Ooh, this is great. Winning is everything. Okay, Mamba mentality. So, yeah, from 2003, he was the cover of Slam. He proudly stood over the spoils of his success. This is really nice. Definitely worth it. Then we have another rookie and Alexei Pokusevsky. Last played before the NBA in Olympiacos in Greece, my home country. Welcome to the home team, Kobe. This was a really nice pack. Maybe the crown stone of this collection. We definitely miss you, man. So, Malik Beasley from the Minnesota Timberwolves. Mitchell Robinson, great. Dwight Powell, okay. Domantas Sabonis, one of my favorite players, an all-star this year as a replacement. Nicola Batum, Jaylen Brown, another all-star. This seems nice. A bit different. Desmond Bane and Cassius Stanley. So here we didn't have any great luck with those cards, unfortunately. So we have another 4. Let's see what we have here. What holds our future? These cards. Danny Green, multiple NBA championships. Pascal Siakam. Luke Kennard from Detroit, even though this year he's with the Los Angeles Clippers. Jonathan Isaac, forgotten man because of the many injuries he's had. Kelly Oubre. Another one he played. Oh, Nikola Jokic. This is nice. This is really nice. The MVP candidate. Maybe, arguably, the best center in the NBA. So. Dante DiVincenzo from the Milwaukee Bucks. Otto Porter. Eric Pascal. Kevin Porter Jr. He's now with the Houston Rockets. Rudy Gay. Ooh, it seems like we have a nice card up here. So let's see the others before it to keep the excitement. So Killian Hayes, Aaron Nesmith. He's another great player the Boston Celtics catch from the NBA draft. Rudy Gay and oh, New York City. The slam cover with Carmelo Anthony and his Olympic medals. That's really nice. It's time for Carmelo to win big in New York City. Well, that didn't age well, but at least it's a great cover. From 2012. Since then, Carmelo was traded to the Oklahoma City Thunder, and after that, right now, he plays for the Portland Trailblazers, along with Dame Lillard and CJ McCollum. But definitely a great cover. He was once a superstar and definitely will be a first ballot Hall of Famer. So, Daniel Tice, Reggie Jackson from the Clippers, Harrison Barnes, Rudy Gobert, arguably the best defender in the NBA. Last year, he shut down the whole league because he was the first one to contact COVID-19. Troy Brown. Whoa. Lights, camera, action with Bam Adebayo. He was an all-star last year. This is great. He reached also the NBA Finals last year with Miami Heat, but unfortunately he had a neck injury, had to miss a couple of games, and he was going up against LeBron James. It's always a tough assignment. And last, Josh Green, but definitely a great card to have Adebayo. So, last one. Whoa. This should be nice, or at least I hope. So, we start with James Harden. This is a great picture of him. Since, of course, this picture, he was traded to the Brooklyn Nets and is a favorite to win this year's title. Seth Curry, the other Curry, the brother from Steph Curry. Brandon Ingram, Terry Rozier, he's having a hell of a year. Jeff Teague, Tyler Bay, another rookie. He's from my favorite team, Dallas Mavericks. Theo Maledon, another rookie from the Oklahoma City Thunder. And last card is Devonte Graham, one of the finalists last year for the most improved player. Unfortunately, he didn't win this, but we won this card, and this card is really, really beautiful. So, that was it. And if we look once again, I would definitely say that Kobe would be the number one thing. Melo, the rookie Ja, with a game-worn material. And the other ones are also really special, but I think those three would be my top three. So, thank you for watching this video. If you want to say anything, you can always write down in the comments, especially your own top three from those cards. And I also have another 2 boxes. Let me know if you want to make another 2 videos about those boxes and the cards that we will find with them. So thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.